Let's take a look at this example. Again, we are going to analyze full adder and we are going to use the block diagram. Like always, I'm going to write the formula. I call this formula A plus B plus carry in, where A is equal 1, B, right, is receiving also 1, and carry in is receiving also 1. So if 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal 3, binary 3. This is my least significant bit. This is my most significant bit. Least significant bit represents my output sum, so this is 1. And most significant bit represents carry out, and this is also 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal binary 3. Okay, and this is the solution to my problem.